Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and to this quick unboxing of this new Venezianico Nerede Tungsteno. So it arrived in this outer box and quick shipping. It's Tuesday today. I ordered it Sunday evening and today it arrived. We have in the box a booklet of the Venezianico brand and of the different models they have. Now Venezianico always has really nice unboxing experiences. It's my old Nerede, I'm gonna use it for reference soon. In the big box we have a smaller box and we'll have a Venezianico branded sleeve. Let's see if we can get this out of there on camera. Yep, there we go. That's a really tight fit. So let's do a quick little jump cut. Now before I get further into the boxes, I always want to say I am a Venezianico affiliate, and down below is a discount code that will give you a nice little discount on any Venezianico timepiece. So what we have here should be the blue dial Tungsteno 39. Yep, there we go. Let's put it to the side. What else do we have? Half link. Another little never seen this before. Explains the protective film of the watch. Let's put it to the side. Inside of here do we have another jump cut. We have a little envelope, and inside of the envelope codes and I guess warranty instruction. So yeah, owners club. Nice, very nice. But the star of the show is this watch. So let's open that clasp. Sorry about the lighting, the weather is really poor in Sweden right now. Look at that dial though, even through the protective plastic. Look at that dial playing with the light. Tungsten insert, a blue like a mother of pearls type dial. We have a Miyota, I think it's a 1915 movement, and that's quite a thin profile. Let's take the GMT for comparison. Yeah, that's nice. Let's speed it through the plastic. And I've heard they did some updates to this bracelet, that Canova style bracelet as they call it. This light really doesn't do the watch justice. Let's insert some daylight shots here. That dial moves from light blue to dark blue depending on how the light hits it, and that I can only describe the insert as shiny. Never seen anything like it. And there we go. 39mm case, I think it's about a 10.6 if I remember correctly. Thickness, I think the lug to lug is same as the old one, which was 45.5 I believe. Here are some specs. 120 click unidirectional bezel. Really nice. That's a shiny insert and a cool little triangle at the 12 o'clock. Aligns well, really nice. The bracelet is a bit different than the old one. Cool. So let's finish off this unboxing, the wrist shot of my 16.5 17 centimeter wrist. Plenty of links to spare. And this is how it wears. You're gonna enjoy taking pictures of this one. It's gonna nice summer watch review coming up shortly. And that's it for this time, guys. Please like and subscribe. Take care and stay safe.